Welcome to the Farben Corner Studio. Let's take you behind the making of our heart platter that's done on a marble surface. I always wanted to do a gold, white, and black. I don't know, that looks like to me the most royal color combination that can ever exist. And gold with everything nice goes so well. Gold is just a cherry on the top, I feel. Resin is not just about pouring it in a cup and then pouring it on your surface. It comes with a lot of technicalities and details. I always make sure that I have pre-decided what I'm trying to create in order to not to mess my product. One can create different patterns, textures, and the outcome that they want to achieve via doing a lot of experiments. I am a person who believes in lots and lots of experiments when it comes to resin and the other fluid forms or any kind of art form that I'm trying to do. It just gives me a sort of kick because I'm just, trying to experiment and work with my instincts throughout. You should always know the medium that you're working with than to end up wasting your product on anything else. Then is not just about swirling the pigments into a glass and pouring them. It comes with a lot of patience because you need to plan ahead so many things. Using this cheese platter can be the easiest because we have used a food grade resin in it, so that you can even keep any of your fine solid items, food items on the platter itself. Final product is just so tempting. I can't even explain that to you. It is much more amazing in reality.